Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of Vegan Iniquity, where YouTube is offering people handles, which means that you get your whatever name you want in your URL customized. And I couldn't get Falafel Den of Vegan Iniquity to fit. It's one letter too long. So it's just Falafel Zabub. No Den of Vegan Iniquity. I didn't want to leave out a letter because, I mean, if it's not spelled exactly the way the title of the channel is spelled, it's not going to be very useful to have like a Falafel Zabub Den O Vegan Iniquity. So it's Falafel Zabub. I thought you would all want to know that. Extremely vital information. Have you guys gotten handles? Let me know in the comments if you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, what we're serving up today is spaghetti squash. And I left it like this because I wanted you to see what it looks like before I put the sauce on. So this was half of a fairly small spaghetti squash. About, I would say, 5 inches in diameter and 8 inches long before I cut it and baked it. I baked it, well, okay, first of all, what you do, you cut it in half. And be careful because it's all winter squashes have very hard shells. And you really want to be careful when you're cutting. You don't want to hurt yourself. So you get it cut in half. You preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut it in half. Place the halves cut side down on a sheet lined with parchment paper to help with the mess. And bake it for 40 minutes. And then you can take it out and you start scraping this out. And you're not forming the texture with the fork. The fork just makes it, easy to scrape these strands out that look like pasta. So let me mix it up with sauce. Okay, I mixed it up with some marinara sauce and sprinkled it with a little bit of the Follow Your Heart vegan Parmesan in a shaky can. And I do want to remind everybody that this is not a calorie or carbohydrate substitute for pasta. It's a vegetable side dish, and you have to take that into account. It's great if you're looking to lose weight, if you're looking to increase your vegetable consumption. It's very nutritious, but it's not going to, you're going to have to compensate for the loss of calories in other meals or portions of food that you're going to eat this with. And you can make it fat-free if you want. This is a fat-free marinara. Don't know how much fat there is in the Parmesan, but you don't sprinkle enough Parmesan on for it to be significant. It's a very firm, crunchy texture. In texture, too, it's not going to be like a pasta. Don't expect this to be like a pasta, but expect it to be a delicious vegetable. The recipe will be on my blog, which I will link to in the description. I will also link to the previous video, in case you missed it. Though I'm doing those end screens now too, and you can click on those video thumbnails in the end screen if you're interested. Regular uploads Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Regular community tab posts, Monday and Friday. I'm going to be putting up a lot of my favorite, or whatever's available on YouTube, horror movies in honor of Halloween coming up. So don't miss those. I just saw The Exorcism, and it's excellent. So I'll be putting that up. Let's see, I'm filming this on a Sunday, so I will be putting that up the following Monday, which will actually be in the past. So I'm telling you about something I will already have done, even though I haven't done it. But check it out if you miss it, because it's really a good movie. Written by William Peter Blatty, the original author of The Exorcist. The book's excellent too. He wrote The Exorcism, actually I think it's called, the book's called Legion. And it was also directed by William Peter Blatty. And the screenplay was written by William Peter Blatty. Say that 5 times fast. Thank you as always for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. I will have one more for the road. See you later, guys.